project like this starts out with a pattern. I find my patterns on Pinterest. I'll print them out and sometimes I'll alter them. Oh, by the way, you can find me on Pinterest. I have lots of boards, even one with sewing patterns. I use a pin to mark on the back side of the leather and cut it out. Sometimes I'll cut out a paper pattern and tape it together to check the fit. If the leather is thin enough, I'll just use my scissors to cut the leather. I use an awl to poke holes in the leather and hand sew the leather together. Finally finished the vests. I think they turned out really cool. I like it. Especially the texture in this vest. Really nice, goes well with his other leather goods. They weren't really too hard to make. I like this shorter one better than the longer one. Shorter one, he can carry his gear and doesn't get in the way than the longer one. Been really having fun with leather lately. The guy who made his shoulder holster rig used to go by the username Power Tom, and he sent me this shoulder holster rig. I think I'll have to do one of those one of these times. I think it looks cool with his bandolier and his hat. When I sewed it together, I used a locking stitch, kind of different than what I used on the hats. I think they turned out really nice. Finished the vest. Made little like buttons out of some wax string. I think it turned out pretty cool. I think out of all the vest patterns, I like this one the best. Best. This one doesn't have any buttons or fasteners. I think it looks pretty cool. This is that older pattern. This one's just my recent pattern. I'd like to try this with a thinner leather, maybe even like a suede. I think that would look pretty cool. Because with this thicker leather, it kind of makes it look like he's wearing a pipe or something. And the rivets turned out pretty cool. Rivet thing is pretty old. Anyways, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about my leather vests. If you're interested in purchasing a leather vest, we can work out some details. Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.